Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all here to update y'all on my Louis Vuitton video, because when I tell you, y'all went crazy over that. I think my second Louis Vuitton video, if I kept the bag or if I returned the bag. So if you want to know which one did I do, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Please click on that subscribe button. Please click on my subscribe button because it really helps out my channel. So yeah, you all, with that being said, let's go ahead and jump straight into this here video, because I know you like, okay, Miss Tamika, what did you do? What did you do? Drum roll, please. Sit here and let y'all guess. Okay. What y'all think? I decided to keep her. Like, dun, dun, dun. She's here. I didn't return her. I ended up keeping her. I felt the need to update you all because when I did that video, a lot of people misunderstood the reason why I posted that video. Like I stated in the video, the fact that y'all do take my recommendations into consideration happening to me. So let me let y'all know and warn y'all, just in case you all decide to purchase this bag or something similar to this hair color. Warn you all, maybe y'all already knew about the color transfer issue. I didn't personally, because like I said, I did speak to a sales associate about this particular bag. If any issues with color transfer, you don't have to worry about it. It's a leather bag. That's what I was going by. So I'm sorry if I didn't, understand, but that's what I went by. This what the sales associate told me. So I'm like, okay, I don't have to worry about. And then also, I didn't have on jeans because, honey, those comments was popping. Like, people were like, oh, it's her fault. Why is she doing this? And she should have known better. She shouldn't have wore blue jeans. I didn't wear blue jeans. Just to let y'all know, I didn't have on blue jeans. So that wasn't what it was. Just to let y'all know, some blue tights the day when I wore that bag. So said I'm okay with that, because you're gonna get good and bad when you're here on YouTube and share things. I'm upset about that because you're entitled to your opinion. The purpose of that video again was not to bash Louis Vuitton, because I still love and adore Louis Vuitton. Like, I am also looking at the graceful PM. Now looking back, I wish I would have gotten the graceful PM and just did away with this here backpack. Even though I love it, big Louis Vuitton purchase be a purchase that I have to worry about, because with this hair bag, I do have to worry about this hair bag. My collection consists of monogram bags and my first and ever damier checker bag, damier bean bag. So those other bags that I have are more carefree bags. That I'm talking about is this here. So of course, I don't have to worry about color transfer with this. So this was just something new to me. Like, I just felt like, since I had the extra money, I treat myself to something different than monogram, So that's when I went for this, because I did not like this in black. Now, if the black has some type of color in the inside, I probably would have gotten the black, because with the black, of course, I wouldn't have to worry about anything. But I just didn't like the black on black, because way back when, I always purchased nothing but black bags. And I always said to myself, I will not never, but I would kind of gear away from all black bags. So that's why I kind of tried to add a lot of color to my collection. If y'all kind of noticed or paid any attention, I don't know. And like I said, I was looking for this particular bag in the monogram print. It was sold out, and that's again my fault, because this is why I see why people say be patient, because had I been patient, I would have got what I really wanted. Even now to this day, today is February. Today is May 28th, and that monogram bag has not been available not one time as of yet. No, what's up with that bag? So that's why I went to leather. I wasn't even looking at this here leather bag. I was looking at the monogram with the red interior, because I don't know, I just love that monogram with the black and the red. Like, it was just beautiful. But like I said, I couldn't get it, and I should have been a little more patient. But yeah, y'all. And then also the ones who was riding for Miss Tamika, I appreciate y'all, because honey, y'all done dropped some gems down in that comment section. Like, y'all done let me know about Apple Guard. Now, I did hear about Apple Guard back in I think in 2012, around the time when I first bought my Louis Vuitton. I remember purchasing it way back then, but I don't remember using it because I don't think I used the apple guard. I don't know why I purchased the apple guard. I think I was scared to spray it on my bags. I don't know, y'all, but I did remember apple guard. A lot of y'all recommended apple guard and then this other spray. So I'm gonna post a picture of both sprays and let me know which one I should purchase, like, you know, which one is better. Like I said, I did hear about apple guard, but I'm not too sure about this other brand. So again, let me know if you use this other brand. Let me know down below which one I should purchase. I will protect my bags because like I said, I don't have this is my first and ever leather bag, so I never had the need to spray any of my bags because like I said, I have the monogram and I have my speed. I don't know, I just never sprayed my bags. Like I said, I did purchase the apple guard, but I don't remember spraying my bag. That being said, I am going to spray my bag because ever since that video and the color transfer issue, I did stop wearing the bag because I am going to try and protect her before I bring her back out. To be mindful of what I wear as far as shirts, clothes, and everything. And that's what I didn't want to worry about with this bag. Like I wanted this to be my ride or die bag. Like I just carry it all the time. So I'm gonna be able to do that. I do love this here bag. Like I love it so much. And if I didn't mention, I did purchase a organizer. I think I shared it in that particular video or the first video. I don't remember, you all, but I ended up returning it because I didn't like the way it made the bag. It made it like a structure bag, and I don't like structure type of bags. I don't know, I just didn't want this to be like that type of bag. So if y'all have any recommendations on just finding something just to cover the bottom part without having to have an organizer, like maybe like a base for the bottom, can y'all let me know again down below? I don't want a organizer, I just want like a base for the bottom to keep the bottom nice. And if not, it'll probably be okay because like I said, I carry everything in pouches. So like my wallets and stuff, I have like all pouches, so that may also protect the bottom of my bag. And what else I wanted to share with you all. In the unboxing, I wasn't sure about the button, but that is like a protective piece of sticker on the front. So it is kind of peeling off, so eventually I will take it off. And it's crazy because I used to always get on my mom like, Pat, you need to take that sticker off. And here I'm up here trying to hold on to it because I don't want, because of course once I take it off, gold is like easily scratched. So yeah, if it falls off, it falls off. But you can see a lot better because I am filming at night. You can still see the blue mark. Like I said, I didn't go heavy with the whole alcohol thing, so I'm sure if I go back in with a second round of rubbing my bag with alcohol, it probably would get more of it out. But to me, it looks 100% better than what it did. Like when I showed pictures, somebody was like, oh, I don't even see nothing. I guess they didn't see the pictures that I was popping up on the screen because I was trying to pop up pictures so you can see what the bag looked like before I even apply any alcohol. I did Google that, and that's what Google told me to do, and it worked. So I don't want y'all to do the alcohol thing and then blame me. So if you are experienced like color transfer on something, please use alcohol at your own risk, you all, because I don't want y'all to be like, oh, Miss Tamika, I used this alcohol and it didn't work. So if you do decide to use alcohol or anything to like try to spot clean your bag, just please do your research on trying it, because I was just so desperate at that point. I was willing to try anything because I did use, somebody was like, oh, use a magic eraser. I used a magic eraser. I use wipes. I use a pencil. You know how sometimes you could take a pencil eraser and like erase the marks. I used that. That didn't work. And I had worked. I even used my Coach leather cleaner stuff that I had. That didn't work. Like nothing worked. But when I tell you the alcohol, it worked instantly. Like it was coming off. I didn't go heavy with it. I just was spot cleaning it. So I'm sure since it's been over a week now since I did that whole alcohol thing, I'm gonna go and do it one more time just to really try and buff it out you know, a little more, but I'm happy with it, you all. And if I didn't mention the way the bag hangs on me, you can't see, you wouldn't have been able to see the color transfer anyway. I just didn't like seeing the color transfer. Like, I just didn't. But if I didn't show you all the color transfer, you wouldn't have been able to see it. I would have had to like say, look at my bag. Because when I FaceTime my daughter-in-law, I was like, look at my bag. I said, you see anything now? She couldn't see anything. So like I said, the alcohol thing worked wonders. And I'm glad I did do the alcohol thing before I shared the video on camera. The day I saw the color transfer, y'all would have thought it was the end of the world. Like, I was in here going crazy. I know it's just a bag, but that's just me. So that's why I had to calm myself down and film the video. I still was a little upset. I was mainly upset because of the way Louis Vuitton handled the situation and make that video to bash Louis Vuitton or blame Louis Vuitton, because clearly it wasn't Louis Vuitton's fault. I just thought, looking for that same type of love that I got from Gucci, that's all. Because somebody was like, oh, Gucci had to replace it because it was their fault. No, replaced it because, yeah, the person who cleaned it didn't do it right. But what I was saying as far as Gucci was, I took the bag in because I had a spot in the inside of my bag, like on the inside of the microfiber. Like, it was a spot that one of my wallets did. I didn't even know my Kate Spade caused that spot in to Gucci 4 months later and showed them the spot. And what I was saying was, Gucci, instead of saying, oh, it's nothing we can do, they took the bag and tried to repair it. That's what I was saying as far as Louis Vuitton. I just felt like, since I just purchased the bag, I don't know, I just thought I would have got the same treatment that I got at Gucci. But like I said, I'm not here to bash Louis Vuitton. I still love Louis Vuitton. I'm still going to purchase from Louis Vuitton and things like that. I'm going to just be mindful of what I purchase moving forward. I will never purchase nothing this color. I don't think I will purchase another leather bag. If I do, it'll be in a darker color. Bags that I am looking at are the Graceful PM, the Bum Bum bag, the what is it, that little backpack, the real small one, and a few other bags that I have like on my wish list. So those are the bags I'm looking at. They are not light colors. They are monogram bags, so I don't have to worry about anything. I will not be purchasing nothing this light again. I had to worry. Get on here and let y'all know I did keep the bag. I didn't take the bag back because, honey, y'all, child, let me tell you, some of y'all was like pissed. And y'all misunderstood the whole purpose of the video. But like I said, y'all entitled to y'all opinion. But the ones who were a little too over the top, y'all just got deleted, period. Because y'all misunderstood the whole reason of this here video. It's like, yeah, some of y'all funny. Like, the ones who didn't get me, y'all funny. But the ones who got me, thank you. I appreciate you. I appreciate y'all support. Like, y'all get me and y'all understand me. And I love y'all for that, because it was more positive than negative. So that's why I didn't block the comments. Because even though some comments were kind of negative, I just kept them up there, y'all. I was like, whatever, because good or bad, it helped me out anyway. So I appreciate good and bad. What Be Love was talking about when she said, you can like my videos or dislike my videos, either way it helps me out. And basically that's what it did. But I just wanted to let y'all know I did keep the bag. Still love her. It's just that I can't wear her the way I want to anymore, because we are going on a train ride to Tennessee, and I was planning to wear my denim jean jumper. Of course, I can't wear this bag. I will be wearing my oldie but goodie, never full. So yeah, this until I treat her. And once I treat her, I will share with you all how it looks after I treat the bag. And it's my first and ever leather bag, so I am new to the whole leather situation. I don't know, I just didn't think I had to worry about this. With that being said, I did keep her. She is in my collection. I will be updating you all in a few weeks. I'm just laughing because y'all some of y'all went crazy over that video, the one girl was like, how you gonna blame Louis Vuitton? Like, she was even coming for other people in the comments. I'm like, okay, sis, it's not that serious. Like, you know, we love bags over here. So the ones who understood the purpose of the video, you know, understood my reasons. But honey, child, YouTube is funny, y'all. I still love YouTube. You know, I love put out these hair videos, but yeah, I just wanted to update y'all to let y'all know your girl didn't take the bag back, so don't worry, I didn't take it back. You ain't got to worry about getting my used bag, because you had one person, oh, take it back, because I don't want your used bag. You're not going to get my used bag, okay, ladies? It's here to stay. She's in my collection, and she's not going anywhere. So with that being said, you all, I'm going to go ahead and end this video, because I didn't feel like getting dressed. I just felt like I had to... I felt like I had to come on here and let y'all know I didn't return the bag. She's still here. She in my collection. I am going to be using her once I protect her. So, yeah, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, y'all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week your girl uploads videos. And also, before I go, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for all my new subscribers. Your girl hit 6,000 subscribers, close to 10,000. Because if y'all follow me on my community tab, I did say that if I can get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the summer, I have a special Marc Jacobs giveaway. So yeah, that's only if I can reach 10,000 by the end of the summer. And I mean, when I say the end of the summer, I mean the end of August. The summer for us. So if I can get to over 10,000 subscribers by the end of the summer, I got y'all. But if not, I don't know what I may do, y'all. So I will talk to you later.